So today I'm featuring the CAD U37 USB cardioid condenser microphone. We'll find out if it's a good microphone right after this break. So today I'm featuring the CAD Audio U37 condenser USB microphone, which can be compared, and we will compare it today. We'll compare it to the Technica AT2020 USB microphone. How does the sound quality compare to that? Is it worth the $50 more that you pay to get the Technica, or this is a pretty good microphone? And in another episode, I'm going to compare that same microphone to the Samsung Go mic and also to the built-in Logitech Brio microphone. All that and more, let's dig in. So the CAD U37 condenser microphone has a 0 and also a minus 10 dB switch so that you can toggle in case the ambient noise is too loud. And also you have a high pass filter that will ensure that your low frequencies can be reduced by toggling that switch. So I'm going to start my tests, but in order to have a proper test, what we are going to do is make sure that our microphones are all set to 80% level. So first of all, I'm starting with my CAD audio, and I'll click on device properties and make sure it's 80%. And when I toggle and go to the Technica 2020, let's see, it's at 60, so I'm going to increase it to 80 so that the comparisons are fair. And now right here, I'm inside of OBS Studio. I have added the CAD U37 microphone and also the Technica. So let me start my test. So this is the test with the microphone being 1.5 feet away from me. This is pretty much the normal distance. I'm not getting too close, and as you can tell, I'm recording and picking up the sound through the CAD microphone, the U37 microphone. I can see that there's a little bit of clipping here. As you can see, there is redness. And even though I do have the switch turned on minus 10 dB. So let me take it to 0 dB and see how the sound would be. Now this is with 0, so you can tell that it's clipping quite a bit. So I'm not sure this is very good. I'm going to keep it at minus 10. There it is, we're back to minus 10, and I'm almost 1.5 feet away from the microphone. Now I'm going to switch to the Technica. This is my test for the Technica, and as you can see, it's not as amplified as the other one, though both of them are set to 80% level input for the Windows sound settings. So this is it. Now my fan has started in the laptop, so there might be some noise being picked up, but again, I'm not too close to the laptop. Now here is my voice. When I'm talking a little bit closer, it's I'm now much closer to the Technica microphone, and I'm going to switch now to the U37. There it is. Now I'm close to the U37, and though I have minus 10 dB, it's quite high. As you can tell, it's clipping all the way. Now I haven't tested the high pass filter, so let me go ahead and click that. Now I started with the switch turned into the high-pass filter, so ideally you should not be hearing a lot of the background noise, especially from the fan. Now, if you really like this microphone and you want to use it all the time, then what I suggest is you need to go back to your sound settings. And make sure when you're selecting the CAD audio, make sure you reduce that to probably, I would say 65 should be fair. Just by looking how the clipping is happening. As you can tell now, as I get closer to the microphone, there might be more clipping, of course. So this is my test for the CAD U37. How did you like it? Did you like the sound quality? Did you like the bass, or the lack of it, for that matter? Once more, I'm going to switch again to the Audio Technica to have a comparison. Okay, so now you're listening to me through the Audio Technica condenser microphone, and I can be closer like this, and this is my voice. I don't want to get too close, so this is pretty much it. I hope you could see the difference. Now I'm back to simply using my lav mic, which is a Rode lav mic, and I hope that sound also good to you. Let me know, what do you think about all these three different microphones? So you've got the U37, I compared it to the Audio Technica 2020, and now you have my lav mic by Rode. Again, these are for different use, but the two condenser microphones we featured today are really for podcasting. Do you think they are even good for using in Zoom meetings? Would you consider using them against maybe the Samsung Go mic? If you do, or you don't, then you might want to stick around. My next episode will compare the Samsung with the U37. And until then, I see you in another episode. Take care.